Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Good
Yeah.
evening, sir.
Okay, yeah, good evening. Yeah. These are demo classes. Anybody newcomer means don't worry, just observe it here. In a previous one small demo, already we are completing, but don't worry, those all the things. Okay, just observe it here. What I am telling, first I will tell you. What I am telling in a previous classes, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. And also this Oracle 19 is a version number, C is a cloud computing only. This Oracle 19C is a version number, 19C, 21C, 23C. In olden days, 12C, 11G, 10G, 99, so many versions are there. Now, this is basically Oracle is a database software. Already I told in a previous class. In a newcomer means just observe it here, database software. What is the purpose of database software means to store data permanently. Once today you are storing a what data into where your database, either Oracle or SQL server or anything. And now you then automatically in a number of years also that data is available in a computerized system. Okay, fine. Database is a place. But unfortunately, what I am telling in that class, what I am telling in a previous class means slowly observe it here. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically some place is created in a reserved in a where disk only. This is called database. I know you know, everyone knows. But unfortunately, this database does not store random collection of data. Because Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, these all database softwares are implemented based on a one concept only, that is called relational data model. In a future next class aside, I will tell you, don't worry. That's why these database softwares only stores a what? Structured collection of data. Structured collection of data means a table format. Okay, na? Yeah. Because EF Card only introducing a what? Relational data model. He is a mathematician. He is working in IBM company in olden days. That's why he is only representing a what? Data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns only. Okay, na? Once data is stored in a structured format, only data is storing. Yeah. Once data is stored in a structured format, then only I am also, you are also operating a what this data by using a what? Which language? Which language? SQL, structured query language. This language also introduced by EF Card only. Okay, no? Don't worry. And now he is only inventing this language, very easiest language, non-procedure language, without painful. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, insert, update, delete, select, some commands are there. Up to this one we are discussing in a very previous demo class. And also what I am telling in that class, if you want to operate a data in Oracle database, then we are using three languages. One is SQL, another one is SQL means structured query language, another one is PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL, another one is dynamic SQL. Yes, anywhere we are operating a what a data in a where Oracle database, then we are using these languages, SQL and PLSQL languages. Up to this one we are discussing in a where in a previous classes. Okay. Now today observe it here, concentrate here. Suppose this is a Oracle database is there. 1 minute observe it here. Actually what is our task means observe it here. This is a database software in my company. This is a database is there, for example. Okay, fine. In this database, table format only data is storing. Suppose, for example, banking project is there, for example. Okay, here some data is there in a table format. Observe it here. In a table format only data is there. Bank is a table. Screen observe it. Account number is a column and a name of the account holder and a balance. These are the columns are available. Okay, don't worry. This is another batch table only. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. This is a data. These are called columns. Account number, name, balance. These are called columns only. You are also creating in a future. Don't worry. These are attributes. Now here data is there. Suppose 1001. My name is Murali. For example, my account, I am an account holder in a one bank, SBI bank, for example. My balance is how much? 2000 rupees are there. For example, observe it here. Again, 1002 ABC account holder, 3000 is a balance. Again, 1003 and now XYZ is a account holder and 1000 is a balance. But unfortunately, here, observe it here, observe it here. one of the developers are mistaken here 1001 they are typing. My account number 1001, but another fellow account number also 1001, that is wrong one. This is a wrong data is there. Suddenly in our project side, Oracle project side, yes, you are a okay, SQL, PLSQL developer means in a company side, you want to change this 1001 into 1002. Because that is a wrong data. So now here how means just we are typing a what some SQL language commands, that is update command, update table name set, don't write it, set here account number is equal to 1002 only, where now here name is equal to ABC. These type of codings we are writing only. These are called SQL coding, structured query language. Whenever you are a software engineer, you are writing about these type of coding. Actually, the Oracle database means maintenance projects, small modifications. This much of coding also not there. Now observe here, understandable purpose. I am telling like this. Observe here, SQL language is there. Once this is called SQL language command. Once we are typing about that SQL language command, then automatically observe it here. This is table. And now check it out. Yes. Now automatically within a database, this table data modified or not. In a previous case, wrong data is there 1001. Here 1002 is there or not? Yes. Why? Because developers only writing about some coding. These are very easy coding only. Don't worry. This is SQL coding, structured query language. Then automatically modify the data or not? Yes. That's why SQL structured query language only modifying the data purpose. No. So much of difference. Okay, yeah, modifying the data, deleting the data, inserting a data, and also okay, producing a report. So many things are there. For example, why we are learning about these languages means, suppose for example, this is a bank table is there. For example, in a project side. Now, total balance, how much they want to view. For example, total balance. Now, total balance, how much? Count it. 3,000 plus 2,000, 5,000, 5,000 plus 1,000. 6,000. But unfortunately here only three account holders are there. That's why balance very easy way. I am also here also manually we are counting only. But unfortunately, suppose in India, SBI Bank means so many account holders are there. 1 lakh or 1 crore account holders also there nowadays. Suppose suddenly they want to get a balance, total balance only in a project side. They want to produce a report. How means yes, manually they are counting this much of this balance is their previous balance or next balance. Okay, very difficult. That's why software engineers are writing a coding. Observe here. That is total balance means select. Don't write it. Sum of balance. Sum is aggregate function. Don't worry. From bank. Observe here. From bank only. This is the way. Yes, every software, database programmer, Java, .NET, Python programmers also well-known persons. They are typing like this automatically. Yes, total balance is 6,000. It will be displayed or not. They are writing a software engineers internally coding. Explicitly, they are connect to the where front end. Submit button. Total. They are okay. So now giving only. Whenever end user they are submitting means automatically this code is executed. This total balance automatically displayed or not? Yes, this is the beauty. This is called SQL language coding. This is a database table. From that table, they are generating a report or not? Yes. Now observe here, concentrate. Suppose why we are learning about this SQL coding means, suppose for example, yes, okay, in a project reporting side, yes, here they want to display this total balance along with all other columns. For example, account number, comma, another column, name, comma, balance. Along with that one, so now I want to display this aggregate function value. For example, possible or not possible? Not possible. Impossible. Okay, you don't have an idea, just observe it here. Aggregate function with the non-aggregatable columns, these are try to display means impossible. Okay, yeah, this is the error. But how you are displaying this one means, so total balance means simple technique is there. This group function, whatever group function is there, your experienced person means like me, just you are typing a what, our is a class. Just we are using a what, our class, okay, yeah, along with aggregate function. And now here this is called total balance. Okay, I am giving a what, just my interest purpose here, alias name automatically working. Yes, observe here, what is this one? Yes, automatically 1001, Murali 2000, total balance is 6,000. Again 1002 ABC 3,000 is a balance and the total balance is 6,000. Each and every record total balance, how it will be displayed. I am a very good database programmer. Yes, either Oracle, either SQL Server, either DB2. I know the problems. I am easily within fraction of second, I am rectifying the problem by using some clause only, then automatically producing a report or not? Yes. Suppose you are a first time newcomer, you don't know this one, how you are resolving the problem? Impossible. That's why you are learning a subject. Whenever technically you are strong means nothing is there in any field also. And now here, check it out. Concentrate. Suppose suddenly today I am a Murali, and now here I try to credit some amount into where this bank only, for example, insert into. Don't write it. Just observe these all the things you don't have an idea, but just observe it. What is going on here? Bank. Here values. Okay, some commands are there. For example, 1001. Here my name is Murali. I'm account holder. Okay, for example, 4,000 rupees. Today I'm crediting amount of 4,000 rupees. For example, depositing amount. Now this is a table is there. For example, and now here select star from bank only. This is a database table is there. Observe it here. Today I'm crediting a what amount? How much? 4,000 rupees. Now suddenly observe it here. Total balance is how much? 2, 3, 4, 6, 10,000. Okay, na? Yes, total balance it will be displayed. Select, observe it here. Select here. Total balance means a sum of balance. Observe it here from bank. Okay, na? Yeah. Now here, check it out. Don't write it. Just observe it here. 10,000. Okay. Suppose here I want to display. Yes, here is all the things. Account number I want to display. Name of the account holder I want to display. Balance I want to display. It won't work, but you are experienced person. Just we are converting into where this one is a what over class window functions. Now here a total balance is there. Okay, now yeah, like this. Okay, it will display. Okay, fine. Observe here 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. But suppose my manager asking Murali, okay. So now here, yes, Murali is a 2 times are there. This Murali total balance I want 4,000 plus 2,000 is a 6,000. I want to display, yes, each and every name wise only total balance. Maybe daily so many pillows are depositing a money, withdrawing a money. Okay, account holder, account number based only, but name based, I'm telling your understandable purpose. In that case, I am an experienced developer means within fraction of second, I'm displaying what that output. Here partition by, here observe here, partition by name. Just I know the what is concept is going on. I am writing a what some little bit of coding. And now here, yes, here name wise. So now total balance name wise I try to display. Yes, observe here. Yes, observe here. Concentrate here. Now here 1001 Murali is there. Here 4,000 plus 2,000. Yes, 6,000 automatically generated or not? Yes, simple. That's why according to client requirement, according to my manager requirement, I am experienced person means I am writing a little bit of coding, then automatically what is going on, I know. Yes, here, that's why I'm producing according to my client requirement. This is the role of the software engineer. You are good at subject, you are good at technical concepts, then producing a what reports are okay according to client requirement, anything modifications, then we are writing a what coding only. That is called SQL, structured query language. Structured query language. Again, another language is what? Extension of the SQL, that is called procedural language extension for SQL. That is a little bit of procedural language concepts they are using only. Okay, yeah. And dynamic SQL. Understood that one? Yes. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose these are so many demo classes we are okay, so daily I'm telling 1 or 2 days or anything. Again, after that one you are learning a course, you are completing the course. Okay, for example, okay, after 3 or 4 months, okay, anything. You are very good subject is there. Okay, fine. I'm agree. Really confidence level is increasing. I will tell you, okay, so now more confidently all the things only. You are also writing a queries. Okay, you are getting a good subject, very good knowledge. Okay, don't worry. But unfortunately, knowledge is there, okay, but we are unable to get a job means no use. So many fellows are, they are learning a courses in a software courses only, but unfortunately how they are applying, they doesn't know. And also what type of jobs, at least what type of jobs are we are getting based on this JavaScript, based on this Oracle, based on this Java, based on this Python, based on this AI, they doesn't know. That is a problem. Suppose so many fellows are these type of database softwares they are learning means how many types of jobs are there in a software industry, they doesn't know. That is the first drawback only. But unfortunately, SQL language, only SQL, not any other language, only SQL in the worldwide, SQL only you are learning a proper way, then 100% you are getting a job. That much of opportunities are there. Anywhere also you have to check it out. But so many fellows are doesn't know. Java backend only, .NET, Python backend only, this language they are thinking. No, so many project side SQL language they are using. Suppose you only are good at PL SQL also, guarantee job. That much of powerful, these are all the things. But unfortunately, awareness is very less. But unfortunately, so many fellows are YouTube through, they are thoroughly, they are typing nowadays, YouTube through, they are getting a what good knowledge. So many fellows are giving a guidance only. They are approaching a what that one and also applying a what jobs only nowadays. But unfortunately, before we are starting our courses, just I'm intimating to you today, at least a technical persons also doesn't know all the things. That's why I am giving the guidance. What type of jobs are available? Once you are learning a Oracle developer course, I will tell you today. That is better before we are starting anything. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Maybe half of the things some fellows having idea, but full things they doesn't have an idea. Now check it out. Slowly observe it. According to my experience, I will tell you. I am so experienced person. Just I will tell you. Okay, suppose what type of jobs are available? Oracle related jobs, this one. Okay, na? Yeah. Observe it here. Suppose, according to my experience, first time, now observe here, first type of jobs. According to my experience in a worldwide, not only India, in a worldwide, so many fellows are recently passed out in a way 2023, 23. Some fellows are 24 also passed outs. Maybe in a computer related courses, either MCA, either BTech, either MSc computers, either MSc, MS, any type of courses only. Okay, fine. But those persons are interested to learn a latest courses. Recently passed out persons are whatever trending courses are there, they are interested to learn. Okay, generally psychologically, because job is important. No? That's why so many fellows are Python, they are interested to learn, first preference. Then some fellows are very good knowledge in where coding means they are interested to, okay, long career means they want means Java full stack, Java, they are learning a course. Some fellows are interested to learn a what, a .NET. Some fellows are interested to learn about PHP. Okay, these type of regular courses. Okay, because they want to fastly getting a job. Okay, yeah, because this type of coding languages means opportunities are more. But unfortunately, Python, not Python, Java, .NET, PHP, these type of courses anybody learning means always those persons are 60% of the case, yes, using this language in a way to develop a web-based application, not all 100%, okay, web-based application development purpose. So now here, most of the companies are using what these languages. That's why more opportunities are there. Okay, any company also growing means compulsory website is required only. That's why these type of language is okay, so more trending languages only. Now these languages they are learning fresher level, yes, to develop a web-based applications only, because more opportunities are there. Yes, really correct. But unfortunately, what the problem is, who are learning what these type of courses, okay, at least half of the fundamental level, because fresher level, no, fundamentally what is what they have an idea also. Okay, yeah, but unfortunately they are attending an interview. Front end side, these are front end languages. These languages they are learning means, okay, yeah, I'm agree. Front end related questions they are asking, they are telling, but where the failure means, write a query to display nth highest salary employee, write a query to delete a duplicate rows, write a query to display second highest salary employee. Interviewer asking, because interviewer well-known persons who are good at what these languages also compulsory 100% they are learning what minimum basics of the any database. Either Oracle, either SQL Server, either DB2, minimum basic is required. So because these persons are web-based application side, stored procedure is a concept is there in a databases, that is 100% they are using, 100% in a web-based applications. because web browser is there, that is connect to the web server connect to the database server is required. In that case, passing a data from and into in a databases through front end to back end, yes, required. That's why stored procedure performance purpose 100% they are using. That's why stored procedures are available in a Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, all the databases, relational databases. That's why compulsory they are learning about database. Without database knowledge, they are unable to handle the projects. This is so many fellows are doesn't know, fresher level no, yeah, that doesn't know. That's why who are joining, and nowadays maybe they have an idea. Yes, so many languages they are learning what these type of web-based application also. Yes, minimum basics knowledge is required in a where either Oracle, either SQL Server, either DB2 or anything also. Minimum basic SQL knowledge is required. That's why these persons are learning courses. Plus PLSQL side, stored procedure knowledge is required. Total PLSQL not required. Stored procedure knowledge is there enough. Either in SQL Server stored procedure, Oracle stored procedure, or DB2 stored procedure, MySQL stored procedure, your own wish. But most of the Python and Java and PHP programmers are preferring a what? Yes, Oracle. And .NET programmers preferring a what? SQL Server. Okay, that's why these type of persons are interested to learn a what? Oracle course. Okay, first one. Okay, next type of jobs means observe it here. Suppose so many fellows are passed out in a way 2021, for example, 2000 year 2020, 2021, anything roughly 2020, for example. But unfortunately, maybe any reason, so much of reasons are there. Any reason side, okay, we don't know. So now they're unable to get job. They're struggling, but unfortunately they are not interested to get a job in a coding. These type of languages means coding. Latest programmer means coding, they have an idea, but olden days programmer means not interested. Some fellows are okay, non-technical persons are there. Suppose 2020 21 they are passed out means they are not interested to get a job in a coding because maybe so many reasons. Okay, fine. For example, maybe gap is there or anything. Okay, yeah, they're unable to get a job in a coding. Okay, they are disappointing only. But those persons are best way means getting a job without painful means. Yes, one thing is there. What is that one means? PLSQL developer jobs are there in a worldwide. PLSQL developer jobs are there. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. Without any knowledge also, just SQL, little bit of basic knowledge is required. PLSQL, whatever I am telling, otherwise anybody telling depth knowledge means, yes, 100% getting a job because PLSQL developer jobs are there in a Google, you have to type it. But here, what is the advantage means very less competition and also 2+ 3+ years experience they are asking only. But fake experience also not about manageable means not about. Okay, because very less number of developers are there in a worldwide. You have to check it out anywhere also. In a PLSQL, we are good. Anybody, latest programmers, they are not learning a PLSQL this much of depth only. Just, but unfortunately, you are learning means yes, easily getting a job because my students, so 2010 onwards, I'm in teaching field. Okay, so many fellows are well settled in a way PLSQL developers. In those days onwards, they doesn't know, but I am giving the guidance and I'm encouraging only because I'm basically PLSQL developer. And now here, these persons are basic knowledge in a way SQL is required, Unix knowledge also required, not a biggest problem that one. Now self-scripting also some fellows are learning, don't worry. Basic SQL and here plus here medium level PLSQL also not a problem. Very strong not required, okay, PLSQL. These type of PLSQL developer jobs, anybody interested to apply, those persons are interested to learn what is this course. Okay, fine. Next, another type of programmers. What type of programmers are interested to learn what this course means? Observe it here. Actually, some fellows are maybe 2000, okay, 22, this type of, okay, 23 or 21, 20. Marriages are over, for example, okay, fine, marriages. Okay, now, so in a way after COVID or anything before COVID or anything. But unfortunately, after that 1 2 years gap is there, maybe BTech or MCA or anything, they are unable to try up to now. But now everyone work from home only. Some fellows are getting a job easily. They are getting a salaries 50,000, 60,000 like that only. Okay, fine. That's why so many feeling inspiring what are those persons only. They are interested to yes get a job only. Best way means simple. How means? Data warehousing technologies are there. Suppose what is data warehouse means big concept. 1 minute observe it here. Actually, source is there without coding this one. Sources. From the source in a two types of databases are there in a where in a company said, don't worry, later that one. Suppose here OLAP, OLTP, later I will tell you. So observe it here. These are different sources are there. This is a what? A data warehousing in a company. Okay, fine. Yes. This is a staging area, DWH. Now, yes, here we want to fetch the data from DB2 Oracle SQL Server. Different sources are there. From this one, yes, they are fetching a data and store it into where this staging area. Some developers are required in a worldwide. These are called ETL developers. ETL developers. Those persons are not very good knowledge required in a where coding. Just as SQL basic enough. Basic SQL knowledge is enough. ETL tool they are learning means extraction, transformation, and loading a tool. Yes, easily they are getting a job. That's why so many fellows are, those persons are learning a courses in a way ETL tools. Once data is there in a warehousing only, then only, yes, they are producing a report according to requirement only management. These reporting tools they are learning only. These are data warehousing tools, reporting tools, and ETL tools. Jobs are there in a worldwide. These are easiest jobs without coding, but 2 years, 1 year gap is there, experience is there enough only. That's why so many fellows are, yes, learning what? So now ETL developers in a worldwide, they are interested to settle because so much of salaries also. But very less coding and salaries are very high. And now ETL developer jobs are there. Those persons are interested to learn a what? Basic SQL. Basic enough. Advanced I am also not learning also not a problem. But here advanced I will tell you, but confidence level purpose, basic SQL they are learning medium. What is joins, what is subqueries like that. Plus compulsory they are learning a what? ETL tool. PLSQL not required. ETL tools, any ETL tool. Anybody having idea? In our class only, maybe any experience knowledge is there, outside knowledge only. Any ETL tool, tell me. Anybody warehousing technology, they have an idea. Very good. Informatica in a worldwide, still so many fellows are in your colleagues also, sorry, in your relatives also, so many fellows are working in a where Informatica tool in a worldwide. Check it out. Okay, yeah, that is very easy. SQL basic enough. And now to in Informatica tool, anywhere you are joining a course only, yes, they are telling you what is going on, what is that one, anything also. Yes, easy. And now here again, Talent is a tool, latest tool, Talent tool. This is also GUI tools. These are graphical user interface tools only. But minimum basic SQL knowledge is required. Yes, here olden days, data stage is a tool is there. These type of courses they are learning also, easily getting a job. But a little bit of I think gap is required after academic career, 1 or 2 years they're asking only. Okay, yeah. Again, another type of programmers. What is that one means? Business analyst, that is called a reporting programmer in a warehousing. These are very easiest jobs compared to ETL jobs also. Reporting programmers are there. That is a business analyst they are calling only. Don't worry. Your understandable format I am writing only. And also these persons also, yes, here basic SQL, everywhere basic SQL knowledge is required. Plus any reporting tool. Anybody tell me? Any reporting tool. Very good. One fellow is telling Power BI Murli sir, they are telling very good, correct. Power BI is the latest trending tool, very easiest tool. So many fellows are 1 year back, so much is jobs only, but now very less, I think. Okay, so now here Power BI tool they are learning only, but Power BI means I am not interested to prefer what Oracle. Anybody interested to learn a Power BI tool easily, they want to get a job, 1 year, 2 years gap is there means better to go for SQL Server, not my class only. SQL Server database better to learn. Okay, na? Not a Oracle. Why? Because this is SQL Server related only. Okay, na? SQL Server related course that one. Now here, that's why what are the reporting tools means? Observe it here. These persons are basic SQL language. Yes, here and also plus in a reporting tool, BOS is a tool is there. Again, TabView is a tool is there. Anybody have an idea? TabView. Again, QuickView is a tool is there. Latest tools these are. Now here QuickView is a tool is there. These type of tool through also. So now here they are getting a what jobs. So many fellows are easy jobs. Okay, next. Another type of programmers interested to learn what this Oracle course means. Basic level, not advanced, not required. What is that one means? Easiest job in a worldwide testing tools. Suppose so many fellows are mechanical students, and also so now here civil, these type of persons also interested to settle in a where before marriage they want to settle in a where. Okay, so now software side based on the marriage or anything also in a reasons we don't know. And now here they doesn't want any coding because of not technical means not interested in coding. They doesn't want at least basic okay, so now these type of reporting tool, these type of ETL tools also they doesn't want. But easiest way they are getting a job means testing tools. This coding is not there now. Yes, in this testing tools, manual testing is there and also automation testing is there. Everyone knows manual testing is a common in every company side. And testers, okay, na? Yeah. Automation means in a olden days, so QTP is there, but nowadays I think Selenium, okay, na? Yeah. In the testing tools course only, they are telling about very easy way. These persons not only this one, but little bit of basics, not a more things, little bit of basic SQL knowledge is required. More knowledge not required. Maybe not only Oracle or SQL, either SQL Server, SQL, MySQL, SQL, you are learning also not a problem. That is not a biggest problem. That's why so many fellows are these type of courses they are interested to learn also. Yes, they want to get settled in a where in a jobs without coding. And now they in these persons also interview purpose and also some database testing purpose. They are learning a basic SQL. Okay, na? Yeah. And again, another type of programmers are there. What is that one means? Suppose maybe not a these type of computer students. Actually, pharmacy students also, maybe B pharmacy, maybe anybody completed. Again, M pharmacy, anybody completed. Those persons also, they want to settle in a where, okay, it's in a software field. Best opportunity means SAS is there. SAS, SAS. These persons also they want to learn what compulsory Oracle more things. Why? Because same PLS school half of the thing is there in SAS. Oracle clinical is there. SQL all the knowledge is required, at least basic what is what or anything. That's why these persons also, these type of SAS programmers also learning a what Oracle course. But those persons side big okay queries they are not asking basic level enough. And now again, another type of jobs means pure technical. Suppose so many fellows are TCS nowadays project side, the e-business suite is there. That is Oracle apps. This is difficult. This is difficult. Oracle apps is there. Oracle applications, that is the ERP is there. That is 11A. Don't worry. This is ERP is there. Anybody have an idea? ERP. Nowadays SAP is there. No, same like Oracle applications. Olden days ERP is there. This is a little bit of difficult actually. Why? Because SQL knowledge is required. Strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Strong, very strong, because PLSQL based only all the things are there. Strong PLSQL knowledge is required. And D2K developer 2000 is required. And also so much of another thing, HRMS, APA, RGL, these type of knowledges are functional modules also required. That's why these type of jobs are difficult. But olden days, some programmers are there. Still, those persons are okay working only in a Oracle apps, ERP. Those persons also interested to learn what SQL, PLSQL only. Okay, this is difficult, little bit of difficult. Okay, don't worry. And now outside, if they are getting a job means it is all the things nobody telling only. Some little bit of basics they are telling only, but they are unable to get a job because in intro are expecting a lot more things only because they are experienced persons. Now here again, whenever there is not there means pressure level they are selecting only. They are providing a training. That is the only chance. Okay, na? Yeah. Now again, another one. Again, another type of jobs means anybody having idea? Two ERPs are popular. One is SAP, SAP. ABAP is there, technical and functional. So many modules are there. Yeah. In that one of the SAP ERP side, actually HANA, SAP HANA is there. SAP HANA is there. In that one, basic SQL knowledge is required. Basic SQL knowledge is required. Basic SQL knowledge is required. Views is a concept is there. Those persons are using a what that one. That's why these persons also interested to learn a what Oracle course. SQL enough. Okay, yeah. Again. Another type of programmers, what is that one means? So now here, nowadays, latest trending. Suppose so many companies are asking about full stack developers. Full stack, either Java full stack developers or Python full stack developers or okay, .NET full stack developers. These persons also compulsory, mandatory that one. In their course only they are telling, I think, okay, son of here, yes, here, that those persons also learning what SQL, PLSQL languages, otherwise SQL Server language, otherwise MySQL language, anything also database they are learning. Again, another type of programmers are there that is called latest trending languages in a future. Yes, AI is there, no? Artificial intelligence and also data science. Both the things are plays a major important role in a future. That's why whenever data science come into the picture, okay. Now here in that case, here 100% one strong database knowledge is required, either Oracle or SQL Server or DB2, and also front-end Python, like that only. Some languages are required. These persons also in a worldwide, they are learning about Oracle course. These are development courses, okay, SQL, PLSQL knowledge based only. Again, suppose you don't want this coding, okay, at least, okay, I don't want to interested in a where, yes, your queries writing also, not a problem, leave this one. Again, another type of jobs are there because Oracle related, so many jobs are there. Here, Oracle DBA or SQL Server DBA or MySQL DBA, these are database administration jobs. Anybody have an idea? Database administrator also required only company side. Database administrator jobs are there. These database administrator jobs purpose also Oracle DBA course they are learning. In that one, little bit of SQL they are telling only. In their course only they are telling about yes, SQL basic language, basic concepts only, not required to learn separately. Okay, these type of so many jobs are available. Suppose observe it here. In those days, I'm writing about that one. Observe it here. Yes, here, observe it here. I'm writing in those days only on a Python, Java, PHP, this web-based application person, back-end purpose, Oracle they are learning. 2-3 years gaps are there. Then PLSQL developers or jobs are there. Then they are learning about SQL, PLSQL course. Again, ETL developers are there. Informatica developer, that is about SQL language, and in a ETL tools they are learning. Again, business analyst is a job is there in that one. Report programmer, those persons are basic SQL and Power BI, these type of things. Oracle apps, ERP, they want to learn means, okay, so work means strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Again, Oracle Cloud is there, I'm not telling only. Oracle Cloud is there, ERP, that one also basic SQL knowledge is required, and Cloud ERP based they are telling. Again, a data science plus, okay, Hadoop is there, big data is there. In that one, basic SQL knowledge is required. Again, testing tools also basic SQL knowledge. SAP also, so now here HANA also SQL knowing is there. DBA jobs are those different type of so now so many jobs are there. Those who are good at what SQL, that is very helpful in a way in your software life cycle side. Okay, no software job side. But why I'm telling about this one in a demo class side fastly, this type of jobs means some jobs means actually what is the purpose you are learning a course is very important. Either subject oriented, otherwise which type of job is there, that is in your mind is there. In your mind that will be there means based on those concepts you are concentrating. Suppose you are a Java programmer, I am telling all the things SQL, PLSQL, all the things you are learning means no use. At least Java side, which concepts they are using, you have an idea. Then those things only you are concentrate because you have an idea. Yes, Java side, maybe JDBC, something concepts they are telling, in that one stored procedure they are using, at least what is joins, interview point of view, queries are there. Those things we are concentrating enough. You are not required to learn partition. You are not required to learn indexes. You are not required to learn clusters. No use. They are not asking also. Those things they are not using also in a company side. Subject wise, whenever free time is there, you are learning, not a problem. But actually, what is the purpose you are learning a course is most powerful. Suppose I am an Informatica programmer, then I am concentrating on the where, okay, so now here is some other things, unnecessary things means I am unable to get a job. Suppose in a Informatica tool side, yes, partitions, data where, okay, so warehousing side regularly using, that's why I'm concentrating. Again, materialized use, performance tuning concepts of materialized use, yes, that's why I'm learning about that one. Yes, again stored procedures, again vocation of collections, these type of things. Suppose I am a Oracle apps ERP programmer, I am concentrating basic SQL means, so I'm not getting a job. Yes, collections, UTL file packages, SQL loaders, bulk bind, these type of things I know, then I'm getting a job. That's why what type of job you are applying in a company side, based on that one, those type of concepts you are familiar, because in a YouTube's only so many fellows are giving the guidance based on your choosing career only. And now you're through that one, your big big notes I vocation they are sending a what PDF, don't worry. But which type of concepts you want in an interview point of view, first prepare it. Once you are joining a company side, yes, anywhere also easily understandable all this. Okay, yeah. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. Hello, 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 hello. You're a first time. Nobody having any doubts. Okay, again,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Okay, next another demo I will tell you. So 1 or 2 demos we are completing only. Then we are starting a what first class. Okay, regular sessions different. That is totally different. Just these are things observe it. Okay, maybe some fellows are. Oh yes, these type of things are there. They're listening for. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for attending a what this small demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you.